Hi guys, Rich Bassini here. Today I want to talk about the resolution that you should be using when it comes to creating your YouTube videos. And the reason why I'm doing this video is I was reading Reddit this morning and someone had messaged a question to me because I joined the group. Well, everybody, I guess, it's an open forum, so pretty much a lot of people who join that group will be getting the same message. But I just want to throw this information out there to any newbie YouTube creators out there who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel. I'm hoping the information will be helpful. I don't want to keep this video too long. I want to just get right to the point. So without further ado, let's jump right into it here. Let me just move this over here. And let me just close this one really quick here. Sorry guys. There we go. All right. So this morning I was reading this here. It's from Reddit. And the question was regarding uploading quality. Now, as you can see here, it goes on to say, I have a video I'm trying to upload to YouTube. However, it only uploads an SD. It has been over a week and still no HD. The video itself is shot in 720 by 480. And when viewing on my PC and phone, it looks crystal clear. When uploaded to YouTube, it looks compressed to all hell and blurry. I had no problems with the other videos in the same format. See up to 1080p playback. Any suggestions? Sorry if this has been answered somewhere before. Now, with that in mind, if you go over here, I print out, I'm not great at slideshows here, but anyway, I put over here, when creating videos to upload to YouTube, what resolution is required and how do I apply the resolution to my videos. And very simple. I just went on there and I typed in what resolution should I use for YouTube. This message came up, 1080p resolution. And it goes on here to say the best option for a YouTube video is to use 1080p resolution. Your content will retain a professional look with top-notch quality while you will save on the amount of your device's storage space and data. Besides, the full HD resolution is considered to be gold standard of video quality. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you right now. I'm creating this video using PowerDirector 20 Ultimate. Okay. Now, with this particular video editing software, they're basic. I'm just going by it. And now remember, folks, I'm not going to get into full detail with this here. I'm just going with the basics with you guys out there on how to change the format. If you're new to using PowerDirector 20, I'm also going to show you about Wondershare for more how they go about changing theirs as well. So let's go over here really quick and we'll see here. This is when you hit the screen recorder on PowerDirector 20. This is what I'm recording with, so I couldn't do it at the same time, if you get my drift here. You're going to see it says video resolution 1080p. This is what I have it set up for right now. And then the video frame rate is 30 frames per second. Now, when you go to the next slide here, it shows you 1080p, 720, and 480, okay, for the resolution, okay? That's what they have here. And then when you move into the next slide, it's got the 120, the 60, the 50, the 30, 25, 24, and 15. Now, they got the video resolution, and then you got the video frame rate. I keep it pretty much at 1080, 30 frames per second, okay? Now we're going to jump over to Wondershare here. We're going to go to the website right there now. And as you can see here, this is the Wondershare Filmora 11 video editing software. I use both of them in conjunction with one another, just to let you guys know. If you ever want to know what version you're using, go to the help and then go to about, and it will tell you what version you're working with, okay? All right. Now, like I said, I want to keep this short. I don't want to get too much into it. I'm doing this video, like I said again, to help people, just to give them a little idea on how to change the frame rates in either software, if you use PowerDirector or if you use a Wondershare Filmora. So I'm just putting it out there for you guys, okay? You know, just putting it out and hoping you guys will get a takeaway from it. All right. So when you go to the record part over here, when you click record, I always hit the record PC screen, right? And it's going to bring up, oh, keep going back to here again. I don't know why it does that, folks, but anyway, it's okay. It happens. Let's go back over here, try it again. There we go. All right. When you hit the record button, you're going to see this over here. You're going to see the audio here, the microphone going. You're going to see the little bars going up and down there. You hit these settings buttons here, right? Now, if you look over here, you'll see it'll have 1920 by 1080. Okay, over here it's got the 30 frames per second, right? And you click it down, it's going to give you all of that. All right. Now, I'm just trying to show you there's two ways to get into this as far as changing the frame rate and the resolution here. So, and on this one here, it has quality. When you click the pull down menu, it'll say good, better, or best. I always keep it like that. Right now, like I said again, I'm shooting this video with the Cyberlink Power Director 20. All right, so that's one way of checking out. But when you want to get a little more into it with the aspect ratio, there's another way you do it. When you're loading up with Filmora 11, it's going to give you the option to go to different aspect ratios. But being I'm in here, I want to show you how it's all about. Okay, so we're going to go over here to File, and we're going to go to Project Settings. It's going to bring another little window up over here. Okay, let's leave it over here. You're going to see the aspect ratio. Okay, this is a pretty standard format for the widescreen 16.9. Now that person, I don't know how they shot the video. Okay, if they shot it with the 16.9 widescreen, or they use a different aspect ratio on it. And in regards to how they uploaded their video, what software they use, I would think that would have to do with the resolution and the frame rate. Okay, now over here I have it set for 1920 by 1080 full HD. When you hit the when you hit the arrow down, pull down menu will come up. You're going to see 1280 by 720 HD, 1920 by 1080 full HD, 3840 by 2160 4K. I guess that's ultra HD, and then 4096. Which is 2160 DCI. I don't know what that is, so I'm not going to say it. It says 4K. I guess that's just, you know, that's the, I guess, whatever, the best maybe. And then they also have a button where you could hit the button here and you could customize it yourself. All right. Again, the frame rate would be over here. You pull down menu, and again, you got the same thing that applies over here. Okay, 23, 24, and 60 frames per second. Now, the only reason why I'm bringing this up, folks, is I'm gonna message that person to tell them to check out this video. I got a website I want to share with you guys that gets a little more into it, and as far as, like, you know, creating videos and stuff like that with YouTube. This person's more experienced with that. But like I said again, for all intents and purposes, this video is not to get into, you know, all the, you know, the aspects and, you know, the fine details, and when it comes to creating the video. I'm just giving you the basic information out there. Hopefully, the person I'm going to send them, you know, the video clip here. Well, you know, the URL. If they check it out, that's fine. They don't, that's fine as well. At least I made an offer to help them out. But I'm going to take you to a website right now, and I'm going to, you know, give you the URL, and I'm going to share a little with you, and then I'm going to, you know, close this video out. All right, so let's close this down here, and this is the site that I was referring to. The site is called OnlyPolt. Okay, and let me give you the URL. It would be www.onlypolt, one word, just like you see it here, .com. All right, and I'm going to drop the link below too, so in case you guys want to read more into it. Here, this is the content creator here, or I should say content manager. I think it's Alona McGrain. I guess she wrote all this information here, and it's got the guides, and this is for May 10, 2021. People might say, well, that's last year's news. Don't worry about it. I always say old news is good news, right? This is the content that's involved with this this web page here. The correct YouTube video size, YouTube video aspect ratio, YouTube frame rate, YouTube video guidelines, and so on. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down here. I'm going to, like I said again, I'm going to drop the link below, and you know, in the comment section, and I recommend you guys check it out if you get a chance. Okay, we're just going to look at it really quick here. You can see what they have to offer. You know, you may want to check it out. I think you should. I'm going to read more into this after I create this video, but you can see here the correct YouTube video size. Again, they break down the resolution and the quality, of course. All right, and I'm hoping this will help, because I'm going to message that person and tell them to check out my video, not only because it's my video, but to also check this out as well. You know, and you can see what they got to offer here. Yep. I don't know what you guys are using out there, but I am, like I said again, using the Power Director 20. I like them both, to be honest with you. And for more 11, I don't know what you guys are using. If you want to drop a comment below and share it with us, that'd be great. You know, I'd like to know what you're using. But yeah, this This website, though, getting back to this website, though, is really helpful. A lot of good information out there. Look at this here. It's got the quality, the settings, choose the resolution. I don't know which one they're using, what site. I'm trying to think about what. Some of these guys, they use the Adobe, was it Adobe Premiere, whatever, or Adobe, I don't know. They got those other video editing software. I don't use those. I use basic, what I just told you. And then over here, it's got the FAQs here. What size is 1080p video? If you hit it, the arrow here, or whatever, it'll drop down. It gives you a little more information, and so on and so forth. It does the same thing like that for all of them. Okay, what's the best video format? And it'll tell you over here. Let's see here. It says the best video format for YouTube is considered to be MP4. That's another one I forgot to mention to you guys. That's usually set up, well, let's put it this way. And this one here, and the Power Director 20, they'll give you, when you're actually producing a video, it'll tell you what format to use as far as that part goes. If you have a default setting on there, but basically what they're telling you is these are the formats they will accept. Okay? It could be MOV, MPG, AV, AVI, WMV, MPEGs, FLV, I don't mind, maybe the glasses, Web, M, and then 3GP, whatever. Again, they know more about this than I do, so you guys might want to check into this here as well, okay? All right, let me bump out of here, and I'm going to give you, like I said, I'll drop that link below for you guys to check out. Just to let you know, I think I did a video. Well, I know I did a video on this here. I'm using the iPhone 8, and I think, I don't know how many while back I did a video. I think I shot this. I did a video that you could shoot 4K. It's either 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. This iPhone 8 takes nice videos. I have to honestly say, it takes pretty good, clear videos. I have an iPhone 5S I use over here when I'm doing my videos, and that gives pretty good resolution too. But yeah, there's a setting in here. It's in one of my videos out there. If I can find it, I'll put it out there. But yeah, you could shoot in 4K on the iPhone. And like I said again, this is the iPhone 8, so it worked out pretty good. It actually takes nice pictures with that setting in there. All right, guys, that's all I have for you right now. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was some help in some way. And if it was, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Until next time, my name is Rich Bassini. Have a great day. And if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best. Take care, and bye-bye for now.